विविध कला एकाच जाग्याचेर पळोवपाक मेळटा ते फेस्टिवल म्हळ्यार सेरेंडिपिटी आर्ट्स फेस्टिवल आणि ह्याच सेरेंडिपिटी आर्ट्स फेस्टिवलाचे 10th एडिशन सध्या पणजेन सुरू आसा आणि ह्या सेरेंडिपिटी आर्ट्स फेस्टिवलाच्या निमतान गोंयचेच न्हय तर भारतांतले आनी तशेंच भारता भायले अनेक कलाकार गोंयांत दाखल जातात आणि आयच्या ह्या खासा कार्यावळीन आमी अशाच कलाकारां कडेन भासाभास करतली. पोलंडचो एक बँड जावन आसा लायट स्टार गायडिंग. तो ह्या सेरेंडिपिटी आर्ट्स फेस्टिवलाच्या निमतान आपली कला सादर करपा खातीर गोंयांत दाखल जाल्लो आसा आणि ह्या बँडांतले आर्टिस्ट आयज आमच्या वांगडा आसा. सो तांच्या कडेन उलोवन तांच्या कडल्यान ह्या बँडा विशयी तांचे ते खंयच्या प्रकारचे म्युजीक परफॉर्म करता तेचे विशयी तशेंच ओवरऑल ह्या सेरेंडिपिटी आर्ट्स फेस्टिवला बद्दल तांकां कितें दिसता ह्याच्या विशयी जाणा जावन घेवया. यू आर हियर एट Serendipity Arts Festival and this year is 10th edition Serendipity is celebrating. So first of all, what you have to say about it?
It's fantastic, looks amazing, so many good venues and so many different events taking place, from live music to exhibitions to dance to theatre, and then the folk and craft stores are incredible, very, very good. Maybe one of my colleagues would also like to add something?
Yes.
Fantastic people. We met so many interesting persons here. We had really interesting conversations about art in India, about culture, about music, about our music also. A lot of very, very good response we had. We didn't expect that it would be so interesting for us. Thank you.
Yeah, great audience, beautiful place here near the seaside river. So thank you for inviting us for the festival.
So tell us something about yourself, your band, and what exact role you play in this band.
The band is called Light Star Guiding, and it started at the end of 2017, beginning of 2018, and I was looking for a band that could use composition structures but also freely improvise at the same time. So I needed to look around and find the right people, and then I spoke with Mikuai, the guitarist here, and we got together and we had this idea, and then we tried various different people out, and we finally formed a group that was working well, cohesive and happy. We made our first album. We were playing lots of concerts, things were going beautifully in the right direction, and then the pandemic hit and stopped everything. So Mikuai and I sort of put the band on a back burner, which means it's still there, it never finished. And we thought it's there and nothing much is happening, it's cool. And then in the past year and a half, we decided to reinvigorate the band, start everything again, and that's where we are now. And we're thoroughly enjoying touring India and making new compositions, and everything seems to be going well.
You are visiting Serendipity Arts Festival for first time?
Yes, this is the first time here, yes.
What about Goa?
First time in India, ever.
Okay.
Yeah, it was quite a shock arriving in Delhi, leaving the safe confines of the airport, crossing that line where you suddenly just get attacked by lots of people. Taxi sir, suitcase sir. No. Leave me, we have a pickup. So just dealing with that was interesting, you know. That was, interesting. I'm not going to say anymore. Maybe somebody else will have.
So what you can tell us about music which you perform? What kind of music you perform?
We try to, and we composed music which is always mix of jazz, rock, psychedelic rock, and punk. Of course. Because it is connected with our affairs to music. This kind of music, we love to listen to punk rock, progress rock, jazz, and that's why we try to mix it. And this is very dynamic music and very expressive. We can express ourselves through this music because the dialogue also between each of member of this everyone in this group is possible because we very much like ourselves, like each other. Yes, we are friends. Even in private life, we are friends. So in music, we can also, by these conventions like punk, free jazz, rock, we can also make a dialogue. It's very important for us.
And what role do you play in this band?
I play drums. I had to. They because they found the bands and they invite me on a very difficult audition, but I won.
Yes, he did. Yeah, it was like check this on that. Was in audition.
Yes.
So many drummers wanting to audition for this band. No.
This is the guy.
Yes, so because we know each other from Warsaw, of course, from the free improvised scene, from the Warsaw Improvisers Orchestra, from the projects of Ray, because Ray he came to Warsaw 15 years ago, and he started to animate our free jazz scene. Also, a lot of improvised projects like Infant Joy Quintet, like Warsaw Improvisers Orchestra. So we know also from the other bands, of course.
So what is your role in this band?
I'm a guitarist, and I like to jump on the stage with my guitar. This is my role here, like mostly. Yeah, jumper and the guitarist. Yeah, like this. Yesterday I jumped from the Dodos drums to the stage. I love it. When I ever have an opportunity to jump with my guitar, I do it. Just do it.
And since you have started this band, in which parts of the world you have performed so far?
So far, we was performing mostly in Europe, Poland, and the different countries in Europe. So this is actually our first intercontinental tour. In June, we are going on tour to Hong Kong, China, and probably some other places, but we still don't know. This is confirmed. So we are trying to get more audience outside of Europe now.
And last, what you want to say about this festival?
Yeah, again, it's really this art park here. We were actually also in Nanji, no, not Nanji, Nagi Hills, the main stage, Nagali Hills, big stage, wonderful, like food trucks and everything. It's like festival. We like it like this, huge festival, huge stage. And here it's like different vibe, more like hippie style. I like it very much. It's like free, the nice craft shops with beautiful things, and like chill atmosphere. I love it.
And if I ask you about response so far, since you have started this band, what you will say?
About response, about audience response. Oh, fantastic response. Yes, it's so very big pleasure to make conversation after our concert with people. People from India are very sensitive for music, rhythms, expressions. We even didn't expect this kind of this level of enthusiasm we see after the concert. This is fantastic. This is fantastic. This is the most important, because music is a dialogue. Yeah. So you need this response after the concert. And during, when they clapping and shouting and dancing also. It is fantastic. Thank you.
सध्या पणजेन सेरेंडिपिटी आर्ट्स फेस्टिवलाचे 10th एडिशन सुरू आसा आनी त्या निमतान अनेक आर्टिस्ट जावं क्युरेटर्स जावं हांगा पणजेन दाखल जाल्ले आसा आनी अशीच एक क्युरेटर आयज आमच्या वांगडा आसा. ती जावन आसा अनुराधा कपूर. सो तांच्या कडेन उलोवया आनी त्यांच्या क्युरेशना बद्दल, तांचो एक्झॅक्टली रोल कितें आसा ह्या सेरेंडिपिटी आर्ट्स फेस्टिवलान, ताच्या विशयी अदीक जाणा जावन घेवया. हॅलो मॅम.
हॅलो.
सो मैम आप सेरेंडिपिटी आर्ट्स फेस्टिवल के 10th एडिशन में आए हो, सो पहली कमेंट क्या है? जैसे कि आपने अभी बताया था बोलते समय कि फर्स्ट एडिशन के बाद अभी सीधे 10th एडिशन में, सो क्या बताना चाहो?
एक तो पहले ये कि मेरा ख्याल है सेरेंडिपिटी आर्ट्स फेस्टिवल ने फेस्टिवल का मीनिंग भी बहुत बदल दिया है। उसका मतलब यही नहीं है कि आप एक चीज़ देखने आओ और चले जाओ, पर आप एक पूरा एक माहौल बनाते हैं देखने से, थिएटर, फोटोग्राफ, फिर फूड, तो एक वर्ल्ड सा बन जाता है। तो वो उस वक़्त 10 साल पहले शुरुआत थी। अब ये एक तरह से बहुत एनर्जेटिक, बहुत हरा भरा हो गया है। तो एक तो ये रहा। दूसरा ये कि हम सबको आर्ट फॉर्म से एक तरह की मुलाकात करने का मौका मिलता है। कई चीज़ें हमने कभी ना देखी हों और वो यहाँ आ जाती हैं। तो आपने हम एक फोक फॉर्म ना देखा हो, वो आता है, पपेट्री आती है, बड़ा एक परफॉर्मेंस आ जाता है। तो ये है सेरेंडिपिटी का एक तरह से इम्पोर्टेंस और उसकी लाइफ।
सो इस साल की सेरेंडिपिटी फेस्टिवल में आप क्या लेके आए हो? आपका क्यूरेशन क्या है, क्या बताओगे?
मैंने 3 चीज़ों का क्यूरेशन किया है और ये सोच के किया है कि आज के इंडिया में थिएटर के अलग अलग किस्म के लैंग्वेजेस हैं। मतलब थिएटर अलग अलग किस्म से होता है। कई हिस्टोरिक फॉर्म्स को लेके होता है, कोई बिल्कुल नई चीज़ को लेके होता है, कोई नॉवेल्स और अडेप्टेशंस पे होता है। तो मैं 3 चीज़ें मुझे लगा कि हम सेरेंडिपिटी में लाएं। एक तो है ओवी विजयन का नॉवल खसाक, जिसका बड़ा प्रोडक्शन दीपन शिवरामन ने किया है और वो एक ओपन स्पेस में है जिसमें आपको मिट्टी की गंध, पानी, आग, जो कि हमारी ज़िंदगी की चीज़ें होती हैं, वो हैं। दूसरा है माया राव का यू रियली वांट टू नो माय स्टोरी। वो एक छोटा, बहुत पियर्सिंग, बहुत दिल को छूने वाला शो है जो कि आपको लाइफ प्रिजनर्स की एक्सपीरियंस क्या है प्रिजन में, उसके बारे में बताता है। और फिर एक मराठी नाट्य संगीत की हिस्ट्री पे 2 शो हैं जो कि एक तरह से मुझे लगता है कि हम आज के मॉडर्न थिएटर की बिगिनिंग वहाँ से है, तो हमें वो याद करना चाहिए। इसीलिए ये 2 शो आए हैं। और ऋषिकेश जोशी का काम है, उसको वैसे भी इंटरेस्ट है मराठी थिएटर की हिस्ट्री में, तो इसीलिए उसको भी इनवाइट किया है। एक तरह से कि हम इस चीज़ से रूबरू हों, कुछ समझें और थिएटर हिस्ट्री के बारे में भी जानें।
सो अभी आपने 3 चीज़ें बताई जो आपने क्यूरेटेड की है, तो इन तीनों टॉपिक्स को चूज़ करते समय क्या एक थॉट था? किस वजह से आपको लगा कि ये 3 चीज़ें इस सेरेंडिपिटी आर्ट्स फेस्टिवल के 10th एडिशन में होनी चाहिए?
मुझे यूँ लगा कि ये सेरेंडिपिटी आर्ट्स फेस्टिवल के 10th एडिशन में इसलिए होनी चाहिए कि आज के थिएटर के जो एक्सपीरियंस है, आज इंडिया में हर किस्म का थिएटर होता है और अलग अलग किस्म का जो थिएटर होता है वो सेरेंडिपिटी में देखने का मौका मिले। एक सोलो शो जो कि बिल्कुल कंटेम्प्रेरी है, एक बड़ा खसाक इतिहासम और एक मराठी हिस्ट्री पे। तो हम आज की थिएटर भाषाएं जो हैं इंडिया में, थिएटर की भाषाएं, उनसे हम वाकिफ़ हों, इसलिए 3 ये चूज़ किए थे। बिल्कुल कंटेम्प्रेरी और साथ ही में हिस्टोरिकल और साथ ही में एक नए किस्म की भाषा जो कि थिएटर के अलग अलग चीज़ों को इस्तेमाल करती, इसलिए चूज़ किया था।
और जो भी विजिटर्स आएंगे ये शोज़ देखने के लिए, सो आपके मुताबिक वो क्या लेके जाएंगे उसमें से?
बड़ा अच्छा सवाल है। मुझे लगता है क्या लेके जाएंगे तो शायद ये कि आज के इंडिया में थिएटर का क्या टेम्परामेंट है, क्या हो रहा है। तो हमें एक छोटी सी खिड़की मिलती है कि हम इंडिया में, मेरा ख्याल ऐसा है इंडिया का थिएटर जो कि दुनिया में जहाँ जहाँ कुछ कुछ हो रहा है हमारे यहाँ भी वैसा ही कुछ कुछ हो रहा है। ये नहीं कि हम इससे कटे हुए हैं। हम लेंस बेस्ड थिएटर भी करते हैं, मीडिया बेस्ड थिएटर भी करते हैं, संगीत नाटक भी करते हैं। तो उस सब का एक्सपीरियंस है। तो हमें ये लगे कि हम आजकल क्या क्या महसूस करें, क्या कहानियाँ कह रहे हैं, ये कोशिश है।
सो विजिटर्स के लिए आप क्या कहना चाहोगे, एक लास्ट मैसेज?
विजिटर्स के लिए तो मैं ये कहना चाहूँगी जो कि मैं किसी भी थिएटर ऑडियंस के लिए कहती हूँ कि आइए और थिएटर को देखिए। थिएटर का जो एक्सपीरियंस है वो मीडिया से बिल्कुल फ़र्क है, टेलीविज़न से फ़र्क है, फिल्म से फ़र्क है, और हम सब जानते हैं कि फ़र्क है। वो हमारे को एक्चुअली बॉडीली छूता है, तो आइए और उसको एक्सपीरियंस करिए।
माझें नाव विजय चारी, हांव काणकोणचो आनी हांव काकोरा गव्हर्मेंट ITI एज अ इंस्ट्रक्टर म्हूण शिकयता. आज म्हाका ह्या आर्ट एंड फेस्टिवलाक म्हाका एज अ कार्पेंट्रीच्या टॉपिकाचेर म्हाका हांगा टॉक दिवपा लागून आपयल्लो. आनी हांगा खुबशे अशे पार्टिसिपंट हांगा एकठांय येयला, तांकां आमी डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन दिलां आनी आतां ते प्रॅक्टिकल करतात. सो एक टॉक दिवपाक म्हाकाय बरें दिसलें की एक आमी सदांच भुरग्यां टॉक दितात. आज आमचे जे भायले जे गेस्ट हांगा ह्या फेस्टिवला येयला, त्या फेस्टिवला निमतान तांकां ह्या आर्ट एंड फेस्टिवलाक तांकां टॉक दिवपाक खूब म्हाका बरें दिसलें. आनी ह्या फेस्टिवलाक म्हाका स्पेशली म्हाका इनवायट केल्ल्या बद्दल हांव आर्ट एंड कमिटीचे हांव खरें थँक्यू म्हणटा. कारण ही आमकां एक ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी मेळ्ळी की भायल्या लोकांक दुसरे जे कोण येता तांकां कार्पेंट्री बद्दल म्हायती दिवपाचो एक म्हाका चान्स मेळ्ळो. आनी खूब बरें दिसलें की हांगा अरेंजमेंट बी बरो आसा, त्याच्या कारणान म्हाका हांगा टॉक दिवपाक आनी तांकां डेमॉन्स्ट्रेशन दिवपाक बऱ्या पडलें. आनीक बाब पंढरीचारीन सुद्दां आमकां खूब हेल्प केलो की तेणें हें सामान सगळें आमकां प्रोवायड करून दिलें. त्याच्या कारणान म्हाका हें सगळें हांगा डेमॉन्स्ट्रेशन दिवपाक आनी तांकां टॉक दिवपाक खूब इजी पडलें.
our award.
सेरेंडिपिटी आर्ट ग्रांट हे जे आयज हांगा ताचें अनाउन्समेंट जाल्लें आसा आनी ताचो विनर आयज आमच्या वांगडा आसा अमान. सो ताच्या कडेन उलोवया. हेलो सर, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस. क्या है आपकी फर्स्ट कमेंट?
मेरी फर्स्ट कमेंट है कि आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू सेरेंडिपिटी फाउंडेशन एंड रिकॉन्ट्रे डेयाल because they have given me a platform to talk about a topic that is very close to my heart, which is the topic of dementia and Alzheimer's. Or through this platform I hope that I can reach more people and raise more awareness on this topic, and through that process if I can help someone in some way, that would mean a lot to me.
सो कंपटीशन कितना टफ था? कहीं पे ऐसा लगता था कि आपको कि ये ग्रांट मिलेगी?
बिल्कुल भी नहीं, मुझे बिल्कुल भी नहीं लगता था कि हम पाँचों के पाँच जो हैं वी आर ऑल इनक्रेडिबल आर्टिस्ट्स. And when you see the works of the others, Karthik, Chinky, Ishta, Pinak, it's so diverse and all of them are so invested in the story they're trying to tell that I don't think any of us had any idea that we would get, because it was just the most fantastic group of artists that were showing.
सो ओवरऑल आपके इस प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में जिसको ग्रांट मिले है उसके बारे में अगर आप बोलना चाहो तो कैसे एक्सप्लेन करोगे आपका प्रोजेक्ट?
जी, तो ये स्टोरी है मेरी नानी की. She is 91 years old and she is in the late stages of Alzheimer's. Or these are photographs that I have been shooting of her journey, and the work that I have been doing with the Indian Institute of Science to sort of bring scientific research and my artistic research together and create a compelling story about dementia that touches people and moves them enough that they want to ask more questions about what this disease really is. So that's my work.
पर सेरेंडिपिटी आर्ट्स फेस्टिवल में इसी टॉपिक को लेके मैं आऊँगा, ये क्यों?
तो सेरेंडिपिटी आर्ट्स फेस्टिवल के लिए मैं श्योर नहीं था. उनका एक ओपन कॉल आया था और उस टाइम मैं आगरा में था जहाँ पे मेरी नानी रहती हैं, एंड मैं इस प्रोजेक्ट पे काम कर रहा था. और इट वाज जस्ट दैट मैं उस पर काम कर रहा था, उस टाइम उनको ओपन कॉल आया और somehow I decided कि I want to send this to them. मुझे पता भी नहीं था कि they would be interested to talk about this or show this, but I'm very grateful कि उन्होंने इसको worthy enough समझा कि वो इसको space दें और मुझे इसके बारे में बात करने दें.
तो अब जब कि आपको इसके लिए ग्रांट मिल गया है तो इस प्रोजेक्ट को लेकर फ्यूचर आपके क्या प्लान?
तो फ्यूचर नेक्स्ट दिस विल गो टू रिकॉन्ट्रे डेयाल जो फ्रांस में एक फ़ोटो फेस्टिवल है, और उसके लिए अब मैं तैयारी करूँगा नए काम की, इसको और एक्सपैंड करने की. और एक यूरोपियन ऑडियंस या नॉर्थ अमेरिकन ऑडियंस या ग्लोबल ऑडियंस जो वहाँ पे आती है, उनको एक एक्सेस मिलेगा कि हम इंडिया में केयर गिविंग कैसे करते हैं। क्योंकि हम इंडिया में, हमारा इंडियन कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ केयर गिविंग वेस्टर्न कॉन्सेप्ट बहुत अलग है। हम यहाँ पे लोगों को ओल्ड एज होम्स में नहीं भेजते, यूजुअली घर पे ही रखते हैं, घर पे ही केयर होती है। एंड आई थिंक इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द वेस्ट टू गेट access to how we do things, so they can learn from us and we can learn from them and we can all grow.
आप अप्रॉक्सीमेटली कितने टाइम से इस प्रोजेक्ट पे काम कर रहे थे और इस प्रोजेक्ट में कितने आपके फ़ोटो स्टोरीज, कितने पिक्चर्स?
तो मैं 2019 से इस पे काम कर रहा हूँ। मेरी ग्रैंडमदर का डायग्नोसिस जी कोविड से जस्ट पहले से, मेरी ग्रैंडमदर का ऑफिशियल डायग्नोसिस कोविड के दौरान हुआ था। जब उनको कोविड हुआ, उनको हॉस्पिटल लेके गए, तब निकली ये बात। बट एक तरह से मैं बहुत सालों से ये फ़ोटो शूट कर रहा हूँ, बट मेरे दिमाग में आइडिया नहीं था कि ये ऐसा निकल के आएगा। और लास्ट 2-3 साल में था कि जब मैं अपनी आर्काइव्स को व्हाट इज़ क्यूरेट करके आई फाउंड दैट स्टोरी दैट वाज एग्जिस्टिंग ओवर देयर एंड देन दैट केम आउट। बट आई हैव बीन शूटिंग दिस फॉर मोर देन 10 years आई थिंक।
सो अभी सेरेंडिपिटी आर्ट्स फेस्टिवल के बारे में पहले सुना था, आए थे, या ये फर्स्ट टाइम है?
No, I have heard about this. It is one of the greatest art festivals that we have in the world, if not India. And I was not fortunate enough to come before this. I've been wanting to for a long time, but the chances just didn't come up. And I'm very grateful कि इस बार मैं आके कर पाया हूँ। अब 3 दिन से तो मैं यहाँ पे हूँ, but क्योंकि खुद का एग्जीबिशन चल रहा था तो we were busy in that. But I hope in the next 3 days I get to go around and see everything. क्योंकि this festival, this edition this year is huge. And I really want to see other people's work. जी 10th edition है, landmark है।
So जाते जाते क्या मैसेज देना चाहोगे?
Thank you Serendipity, thank you Recontre Dayal, and I hope we can talk more about something that is not a stigma. Mental health is not something to be hushed under the carpet, and it's something that we should bring to our living rooms and talk about it very openly. And I hope we get a chance to do that.
Hi, my name is Pradeep and I'm from the Vayali Bamboo Music Band from Kerala. And now it's a very exciting time for we having here because we are first time participating in Serendipity festivals and also this 10th edition of Serendipity Festival. So we are very glad and happy to having here. Many times we heard about this festival, but now we got a chance to perform here. So we very wonder and we'll do our best.
So what you are going to perform today?
Actually, this band is called Vayali Bamboo Music Band, and it's a unique band because we are using every instrument is made by of bamboo and made by ourselves. That is a specialty of this this band. Yeah.
So you have heard before this about this festival before?
Yeah, many times because we are traveling across India, abroad India also. So we know every festivals, kind of festivals will be happening here. Many times we try to getting here, but unfortunately it's not happened. But fortunately now it's a 10th edition. It's going to happening here.
Yeah. So this festival is celebrating 10th edition. So what message you would like to give?
It's kind of a gathering and it's kind of a people who is giving more opportunities for art and culture. It's very important because now it's a world is behind behind that time. They don't have any time to doing anything. They are in like social media, blah blah blah, do. But in between, they're caring about culture, they're caring about art. Because in our world, we are just giving a message is that without culture, without nature, a culture cannot exist. Without culture, music also. Without music, human being is zero. That is the message. Yeah.
If we go to speak about your role in this band, so what you will tell us? What's your role in this band?
I am a music composer, also anchoring for this and playing also. Yeah.
My name is Sujil. I am the leader of this band, and first time we are performing in Serendipity Festival. Actually, we are very excited. Actually, so the festival is done. Everyone is enjoyed. We ourselves also we are very enjoyed, and the people also they are loving. They are give the clap. That's very interested for us on the stage. When we are in the stage, very interested to do the performance. So it's very nice performance, nice stage. Everyone enjoyed this program.
As you said, you are the founder of this band. So, how you got idea to start this band?
Yeah, I'm also the start when we are started in that time. I'm also in part of this band, and we got a chance to perform in Japan 2007. There is a world famous bamboo orchestration team. There is a Rakutaka. They are the world famous bamboo band. So we are together. We done with a performance in that time. So we got the inspiration for how to make a small group in Kerala. The Kerala is also lots of bamboo culture. So it's a livelihood culture. But we are also a music band. It's a traditional music band. So we are just connected the traditional one and the bamboo things. That's a inspiration to make these kinds of bands.
So, in which year you started this band?
2010 almost we are the full pack of band.
Okay.
Yeah.
And last but not the least, what you would like to say about this festival as you are visiting for first time?
Yeah, this is the first time we are participating in the Serendipity Festival. We loved this performance actually, and the audience also, and the setup, the stage setup, and the volunteers also. Everyone is nice. We are very happy.